I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the HP Chromebook X360 and plugging in the charger. This prevents interruptions during initial updates. Once on, connect to Wi-Fi and sign in with your Google account so settings and apps can sync. Make sure you choose the correct language and keyboard layout. This avoids typing issues later. If you need accessibility features, enable them now. Finally, accept the terms and allow the device to check for updates, so the system installs critical patches before you move on. Once done with basic sign-in, let the Chromebook download and install updates. This can take several minutes. Restart when prompted so the kernel and drivers load correctly. Next, set up a PIN or fingerprint for faster logins, and consider Smart Lock with your Android phone for seamless unlocks. Make sure display brightness, touch sensitivity, and stylus options are calibrated for the X360 hinge. These steps optimize security and the convertible experience, reducing later configuration and preventing input or display surprises. To finish, install the apps you need from Google Play and the Chrome Web Store and pin the most used ones to your shelf for quick access. Make sure Google Drive Sync is active and set up automatic backups for the downloads folder or important files so nothing is lost. If you run into problems, like Wi-Fi dropouts or battery issues, first reboot, then run Chrome//diagnostics to test hardware. If faults persist, use Power Wash to reset the OS, but backup data before you do so.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.